Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can access customer support or support on the DeepSeek. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open deepseek.com on any of the browsers you have and log into your account. You will be seeing this type of interface. To access support, go ahead and click on the profile icon on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And as you can see, Contact Us, go ahead and tap on it. On the right-hand side will pop up this option. Now you can see all of these articles like DeepSeek service status, DeepSeek model, and FAQs. If you want to directly contact support, just go ahead and tap on it and you can see all of these problems. So if you have any kind of problem in cannot signing up, reset password, and all of these, just go ahead and tap on one of these, and after a while DeepSeek will instantly tell you what to do. You can also conversate with DeepSeek and ask about your problems, and this way you can easily access the support on DeepSeek. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.